Ferry Chaos Alert. 1. Weather-related disruptions. The Cook Strait, the body of water that separates the North and South Islands, is known for its unpredictable and often rough weather conditions. Strong winds, heavy seas, and storms can lead to delays and cancellations of ferry services. These disruptions can be particularly inconvenient for travelers with tight schedules, impacting plans and causing potential economic losses for businesses reliant on timely transportation. 2. Aging fleet and maintenance issues. Some of the ferries in service are aging and require frequent maintenance. This can lead to unscheduled downtime and reduced service capacity. Additionally, mechanical failures and the need for repairs can result in further delays and cancellations. The reliability of the ferry service is crucial for both passenger travel and the transport of goods, and any disruptions can have a ripple effect on logistics and tourism. 3. High demand and capacity limitations. During peak travel seasons, such as school holidays and the summer months, the inter-island ferries can become overbooked quickly. This high demand can make it challenging for travelers to secure reservations, particularly for those with vehicles. Limited capacity means that passengers may have to book well in advance or face the possibility of not being able to travel on their preferred dates.